Hello lovely people, welcome to Quick Guide. Are you having some trouble to add a spotlight into your Instagram? If yes, don't worry. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you add your spotlight into your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat. Firstly, you have to open your Snapchat, and after opening the Snapchat, you can see this spotlight option into the bottom right corner. You just simply have to tap there. Step 2. Create a new spotlight. Now after going to the spotlight section, you just simply have to click into this plus button into the top right corner. And after clicking there, you can choose either upload a video or create a new snap option. Step 3. Record the video and customize it. Now after coming to record the new spotlight option, and after recording, click to this preview button here. From here, you can customize the snap for your spotlight, and after doing that, just simply click to this yellow send to button. Step 4. Add to the spotlight. Now after doing all that, you can see this spotlight option here. You just simply have to select that. After doing that, you can again customize your spotlight, and after customizing, just simply click to this button into the bottom right corner. By following these very easy steps, you can also add your spotlight into Snapchat. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in another one. Keep making the spotlights.